In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 DNS server not responding. If you're seeing that message, it usually means your computer can't translate website names into the correct IP addresses. The good news is, Windows includes a few built-in commands that can quickly refresh your network settings and clear out bad or outdated information. I'll walk you through it, step by step, and I'll explain what each command does so you know exactly what's happening. First, open the search bar in Windows 11. You can click the magnifying glass on the taskbar or press the Windows key and start typing. In the search field, type Command Prompt. You're looking for the classic Windows app called Command Prompt. When it appears in the results, don't left-click it. Instead, right-click it and choose Run as administrator. This is important because the network commands we're about to use require elevated permissions to make system-level changes. If you see a security prompt asking whether to allow changes, select Yes. With the command prompt window open and running as administrator, we'll enter 3 commands, one at a time. Type this exactly as you hear it, with a space after the word ipconfig. First, type ipconfig /DNS and press Enter. This clears the DNS resolver cache, which is a small store of recent website lookups. If that cache becomes corrupted or stale, it can cause the DNS server not responding error. Flushing it forces Windows to fetch fresh DNS information the next time you visit a site. Next, type ipconfig /release and press Enter. This tells Windows to drop its current IP address lease from your router or DHCP server. Don't be surprised if your network briefly shows as disconnected. This is normal and only temporary. Releasing the address helps clear out misconfigurations that can sit between your PC and the DNS service. Finally, type ipconfig, renew and press Enter. This requests a brand new IP configuration from your network, including updated DNS server details. Think of it as starting fresh with clean settings, which often resolves communication issues with DNS. A few quick tips as you type: double-check your spaces and spelling, and make sure you press Enter after each command. None of these commands delete personal files or change your saved networks. They only refresh network information. That's it. By opening the search bar, launching Command Prompt as an administrator, and running /DNS, release, and renew, you've performed the standard safe fix for the Windows 11 DNS server not responding error.